How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Make Money Trucking. And here we have my 2011 Freightliner Coronado. And today we're going to be replacing the batteries, which are underneath this side step. So we'll get this pulled off and then we'll go through that, how to do that. There's, alright, so basically there's just a black cover piece that goes over this dust cover. So here are the batteries, and what I like to do is take a picture of how everything is orientated so that when we're putting everything back in, because we're going to take out all these batteries, we'll know which one's which. And it should be all these nuts and studs are a 9/16, if you can see that, maybe not. So yeah, so all these are 9/16. So we'll start by loosening up the brackets that hold the batteries down. There's one here, and then two on the other side, and then we'll start loosening everything else up. Alright, so here's the brackets that hold the batteries, and they just go into a little recess on the side, and then they tighten down from the top. So yeah, so we basically are removing all the leads and the power cables. Like I said, it's important that you take pictures so that you know where it goes when you put them back. Yeah, so we got all that, and then now we'll just pull the batteries out and put the new ones back in. Alright, so we got the old batteries, and then we'll go get new ones and put them back in where they belong. Alright, so we got the battery hold on brackets back on, and they were a pain in the butt. Basically, you slide this stud into the hole down there, and then it bolts onto the bracket, and they're a little hard, but we got it done. We got all the, alright guys, so we got all the leads back on, and I tell you what, taking the pictures really helped, because there was a couple I kind of forgot about and I'm glad I looked at. But yeah, so this is a quick tutorial of how to replace your batteries on a 2011 Freightliner Coronado. I'll put a clip in as well as how much these batteries cost and the receipt, and then I'll add that in. Alright guys, so we got the invoice. I just got 3 batteries this time. I already got a new battery a couple weeks ago, so I wasn't gonna buy another one, but the price total was $282.63, and they're roughly about, I think, $88 or $84 a piece after the core charge. So when you return yours, you get a core. So yeah, I think that was they're about $88.99 with a $46 core. So yeah, that's how much they were. So would have been add another $88 to that, and that's the cost of batteries for a semi-truck if you're buying 4 of them. But alright guys, thanks for watching as always, and I will see you on the next one.